Welcome back. My name is Patricia Regier. I'm super excited to share with you iSpring Solutions' new option. It is iSpring Page. I've reviewed it and taken a look around. It's a little mini tutorial and tour for you up next. And thank you to iSpring for sponsoring this video. I'm really excited to share this with all of you. This is a fantastic, easy to use course authoring tool that you can use right in your browser. So that is key, that you don't have to download something onto your computer. It's easy to navigate, use, plug in, work with your team. And I'm really excited to share this with you. So join me in taking a look. So these are first looks, behind the scenes, backstage tour that I like to share with you. So we're looking at this in real time. So when you go into your iSpring page, it does have an option of taking a tour. I'm just going to click this, take a tour, and sample projects. We'll click next, manage your materials, create pages and quizzes, next, and you can work with your team as well. So that's a little tour when you first go into here, new project. And so I'm going to look around. Can't upload. Okay, let's click create. Let's click a page. We've got a new page here that we're going to click. Meet iSpring AI, which is brand new. So let's try it. Wow. So it's beta, which means it's still learning and improving. We've got all these different options. Can upload videos, embed something, image, attachments, flashcards, an exercise. So it's great to add that engagement. Let's ask AI, what should I create? Okay, so you could open that up, agree, press continue. I can't make decisions for you, but I can suggest some options based on common activities. So I typed, I would like to create a new slide deck about engaging learning online. And it's giving me some structure here, introduction slide, benefits, strategies, tools, and the great thing about getting the support of AI that's built in here, which is super exciting, is if you kind of don't know where to start, or you need to get going, then definitely add and layer in your own expertise, resource and source, and add that as well. So I am going to click add, and this is basically made it as a page. Let's try this one. So you want to keep in mind the white font on top. Let's see if we can change that with preferences. Okay. We can make the image more faded with, and then I can add a layer of color as well, which can help make it easier to see that title page. So you do have some options here. So so this gives us a whole bunch of different options. Design. We can change our font as well. Make sure that's also accessible too. Wonderful. Disable text selection and copying. Prevent learners from copying text from the page. So you can make that decision if you want that on or off. And so if you're using this for your lessons, which is the main point of the platform, but I like that it's very versatile, that you can use it in different ways as well. So, and I can export this as well, and I can do that in a SCORM file. So if you're creating this as lessons with embedded videos and using this platform, I'll link the other videos where I talk about that, but you can export that in a SCORM file, which is fantastic. We're getting started. And then I'm going to add a chapter. And another one. There we go. So, and then with this too, you can add, if you have a video or anything like that, an exercise. Let's see what they have here. So that is like a quiz that you can have different answers and options. Plus sign. So we got headers. Bulleted text is always great for breaking down the information and making it easier to learn. Farther in the page, we can add another plus sign and embed a video. We can click upload. I really like that it's making this so easy. I'm just jumping in, and yes, I do have experience of creating courses, but I intentionally record these in real time because I'm looking around while it's fresh, without having a chance to really play around. So you're getting to see in real time how easy it is to look around, navigate this as well. Okay, so right now what I have here is users can navigate chapters in any order, which sometimes that's the way to go. But if you're only wanting them to complete a chapter or module first before moving on to the next one, that is where you would pick that as well. So I'm going to show you that again. Here in your course, the little gear icon on the top right is settings. And then under main, it's sequential is what you want to pick if you're wanting to require one chapter to be or module to be completed before the next one. All right, so on your left under projects, you can add collaborators. This is where I'm going to rename it. That's where I can do that. Team access can edit. So that is where you would do some of that. That's the 3 dots here on the left under your learning content, recent start, shared with me, and then your projects. And this is where a plus sign, you can add a project as well. You can simply do that too. And now here on the course itself, on the right, the 3 dots, I can edit, preview, collaborate, share, export. I shared how to export as a SCORM file, copy, move, rename, add to start. So let's take a preview look at it as well. So this is what it's looking like as a course. Now it's pretty basic. Next chapter, and I can I'm just going to turn off the sound for a moment. So this is where you'd want to make sure you've included closed captioning in the video itself. And so I can definitely make it bigger. Let's scroll down, next chapter, and then I can click my answer, submit, and complete. So it is giving the correct, I will take another look at that as well. So complete. And what I'm liking, what I like to see here too, is that it's right away automatically on different devices. So you can take a look and see what it looks like, how much do you have to scroll for that particular length of the chapter. That's something to keep in mind to keeping things short as well. And I can click share and make viewable via link. I could turn that on, and then you can copy the link and share it that way too, which is really fantastic. You can restrict with a password. So if you are selling these course modules, this is really fantastic. And when I click underneath what's already there, the plus sign, and let's take a look and see what flashcards are. Oh, this is great. So you can place the text inside, where you can then flip it around. So let's go out of it and see about, okay, that's the front. And when we click the back, that's when we can give your description. And then it makes it a little bit more engaging as well. So that's fantastic too. That's a great other little option for making your content engaging. And you can have tables. There is a lot of option. Continue button. Fantastic. So thanks for checking out this video. Thank you again to iSpring for sponsoring it. And let me know in the comments below under this video what questions you have. What do you love the best about it? I will reply with answers and maybe create some little video shorts as well if there's a particular aspect that I haven't shared with you yet. Thanks for checking this out. Give this a like. Share it, subscribe if you want to find out when I am sharing other content similar to this and other aspects of facilitation and learning content development. Thanks again. My name is Patricia Regier, and thank you to iSpring for helping bring this video to all of you.